Well, welcome back to Ottoman Asia, Cambodia style.
Musim gugur di Asia. Asia Noir.
Hey, and be sure to stick around at the end to see some crazy driving. Okay, now we're at another market today, and this one is called Phsa Samaki, and it's much bigger than the one that I did last month. And yeah, this guy came along too. He's gonna make a video too. But I mean, come on, check that. Like, that's so 90-ish, you know.
And we're here with Ottoman Asia.
Yep, and that's that guy.
A vlogger vlogging.
Yeah, that's Dave does Cambodia, but Dave will do anything.
I'm easy like that.
There's Sang Lag getting a drink.
Yeah,
Yeah, oh, yummy. Check this stuff out here. Very nice looking fruit. But it goes way back over there. Yeah, huh? Oh yeah, gotta watch out for the motorbikes. And the bicycles. They got a little bit of everything here. There's jewelry, food, household items. This is still kind of right about noon, so it's kind of a slow time right now. Earlier in the day, which I probably will never be able to make it that early, because mornings don't agree with me anymore. But oh yeah, check that guy out. Got a little bit of everything here. Yeah, some people are packing up for the midday, going home and showering up and taking a break, and then they'll be back here for later on. How in the heck could I get here at 7 o'clock in the morning? Maybe not go to bed? That's an idea. Oh, some nice looking carrots there. At least I know what those are. Bitter something, bitter melon or whatever right there. Oh, I need some of this. I'm gonna start putting that in my coffee. And here we go. Don't know what's out in here. Whew. That's what I smelt right there. You don't want to deal with that right there. No. They call that Cambodian cheese, and it's yeah. You could probably smell it from here. Sorry about that to all my Cambodian friends that like that. It's just a little bit too much for me. I believe that's like fermented fish leftovers or something like that. They let it ferment and they call it a cheese. If you wonder why I love Cambodia so much, it's because you can, like, leave the house in the morning and just keep pajamas on. I'm sorry. I'm gonna go to hell for that one. But yeah, we'll walk into the market again. I just wanted to start from another angle here. There's some nice peppers. But yeah, you're definitely getting the sights and sounds. market. This, I believe, is like the second largest market in Siem Reap. There's one that's a little bit bigger. Exactly where that's at, I'm not sure. Dave knows where that's at. Dave's been living here for about 4 years now, making videos. It's got some corn there too. Nice. But yeah, Dave and I might do a collab or just interview each other. I think that might be a bit interesting. Okay, now it goes from food to clothes. Got the shoes. And I was supposed to meet Dave around here. I was going to meet in the middle. But he probably got sidetracked by saying lie. I bet. We'll head over this way. Yeah, most of this area is closed for the afternoon. It's kind of like the schools. They go in the morning, I don't know, 8 o'clock in the morning, and they let them out about 11:30. They go back again at 2 o'clock. It's kind of the hottest part of the day. They go home for an extended lunch. Don't tell my grandchildren that. Yeah, I know you're watching. You better be watching. These videos are for you guys, man. I'll put up a map on here if I haven't already, but this is Highway 6 here. And Wat Bo, that's kind of, there we go. Wat Bo is just down a little ways. Oh, got to get out of this gentleman's way. He's got to go make some money. That's kind of like the main area people would know. It's kind of hard finding places here because very, 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 very few streets actually have street names, you know, posted. So yeah, Google Maps pretty good about it though. But yeah, this is Phsa Samaki, and a popular market. And of course, like I had mentioned before in other videos, there's other markets. There's regular supermarkets, both for, you know, Khmer stuff, and also a lot of for expats who want Western canned chili and stuff like that, or whatever. A lot of stuff from Australia. Unfortunately, even Australian beef I've had here has not been all that great, so I haven't been staking it out or barbecuing, but I have been getting more and more accustomed to Khmer food, street food. I love sitting at the river and having a dinner. It's not too darn hot. Get there either before or after the mosquitoes, because it's mosquito season now. Well, once again, if you're still here, you are my #1 fans, and I just wanted to show you something here. Hang on now, towards the end of here. Now, one of the hardest things I got used to when I started riding a motorbike here in Cambodia is, okay, you can see this lady coming in off the side street up in the upper right. They're going to go down the wrong side of the street and to get over into the other lane. They do that all the time, but sometimes they go like half a block down, and yeah. But anyways, thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for coming in. See you later. Bye.